Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm milestones and welcome to our Turkmenistan weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. Turkmen national leader presents key proposals at Elders Council meeting. Turkmenistan's national leader and chairman of the Halk Maslahati, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow, participated as a member and honorary guest in the 16th session of the Council of Elders of the Organization of Turkic States, OTS, in Budapest, Hungary. During the meeting, Berdimuhamedow proposed establishing a dedicated media outlet for the Council, such as a newspaper, magazine, or website, to preserve and share cultural heritage with younger generations. He also suggested renaming the body to the Council of Elders and introducing an honorary title, Respected Elder of the People, along with a symbolic award. In addition, he recommended hosting the Council's second session of 2025 in Ashgabat to coincide with the 30th anniversary of Turkmenistan's neutrality. Berdimuhamedow commended the leadership of Binali Yildirim and emphasized the importance of gaining international recognition for the Council. The proposals received broad support, highlighting Turkmenistan's role in fostering cooperation and cultural preservation within the OTS. New laws and international agreements adopted by the Mejlis of Turkmenistan. The Mejlis Parliament of Turkmenistan held its 7th session of the 7th convocation, during which several significant laws and international agreements were adopted to modernize the country's legal framework and strengthen its global partnerships. Key legislative measures included the adoption of the law on the state budget for 2025 and a resolution on the execution of the state budget for 2023, along with amendments to the Administrative Code, updates to the Labor Code, and revisions to laws on diplomatic service, international treaties, and foreign economic relations. Additionally, the Mejlis ratified several international agreements, such as the agreement with Kazakhstan on the promotion and protection of investments, the agreement with Mongolia on international road transport, and Turkmenistan's accession to the Convention on Transit Trade for landlocked countries and the multilateral agreement on the establishment of an international analytical center for landlocked developing countries. Turkmenistan participates in Central Asia-China Foreign Ministers meeting. Turkmenistan's delegation, led by Foreign Minister Rashid Meredov, attended the 5th Central Asia-China Foreign Ministers meeting on December 1, 2024 in Chengdu, China. Participants discussed key priorities for enhancing relations between Central Asian countries and China, focusing on regional and global issues, including strengthening political ties, expanding trade, ensuring energy and transport cooperation, and preparing for the upcoming 2nd Central Asia-China Summit. Döwletjan Ýagşymyradow crowned champion. Turkmen fighter Döwletjan Ýagşymyradow emerged victorious at the final matches of the PFL 2024 mixed martial arts tournament held in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Competing in the light heavyweight division, Ýagşymyradow defeated Impa Kasanganay to claim the championship belt. With this victory, Ýagşymyradow secured the PFL 2024 light heavyweight title and the grand prize of $1 million, marking a significant milestone in his career. Döwletjan Ýagşymyradow, a former ACA champion, has consistently proven himself as a top-tier fighter. After competing in Bellator, he transitioned to the PFL, advancing through the tournament's challenging stages to reach the finals. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.